Hello, this is Jordan Cadena reporting from Minneapolis in the state of Minnesota. As you can see, there is a blizzard around me. According to reports from the American Climate Institute, this storm is expected to continue throughout this weekend and will end Monday, March 14. The local authorities have asked that people in this state of Minnesota not to leave their homes due to the heavy snowstorm. It is expected that this Friday the storm will decrease its intensity, so it is the right time for families to stock up on food and the other products that can be very useful in this case. And now we have a call from a parent in this city who wants to tell you who they are doing during this snowstorm. Obviously. Hello, Brandon.
Hi, Jordan. I tell you that the blizzard caught us all off guard. Now I am at home with my wife and my two daughters, and we cannot go out because of the amount of snow. Luckily, we have emergency supplies and a first aid kit for any emergencies. I hope our people are well. Thank you.
Thanks, my friend. We remind all viewers that intensity of the blizzard is expected to decrease on this Friday, so take the opportunity to buy what you need. We recommended that buy the non-perishable food, flashlight, emergency kit, warm clothing, candles, matches, shovel and small tools. Also remember, keep your emergency kit handy in case you have to evacuate your home. If you must evacuate, disconnect basic service. If you have to go out for any reason, dress in several light and warm clothes. Avoid leaving home. I am Jordan Cadena and I hope you have a good afternoon. Bye.